Hello. Yes, good morning everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So as I mentioned yesterday, the offer which you are having is still valid. You still can trade cryptocurrencies without being charged any commissions or any swap over fees, which means that you can open a position, let it open overnight for several nights up to 20th of this month without being charged any commissions, any rollover fees, as maybe you could call it. So I want us to start off with Euro USD. We already have it on our screen. Yesterday we had a very good resistance level here. We had a resistance, and we mentioned that if the price could go up and close above this line as it is doing now, we would be expecting that the price will pull back towards the same level for us to pick a position. We expect the buyers to push us again to the upper side, at least up to this level here. So that is exactly what has happened. The price has broken above this level. We'd like to see a retracement back towards the same zone for us to pick a buy position. We will expect that the buyers will push us to the upper side, at least up to around 1.08440. So the idea here is to look for buy orders. Just wait for price to pull back up to somewhere in between these two lines, pick a position, have your stop loss below the low of this candle here, and have your first take profit here. The next take profit should be this one. So when the price pulls back and touches this level, you're supposed to pick a buy order. Your first target is this, the next target is this one, and the last one is the one we have at the top, which is 1.10868. So my next chart, I want us to look at GBP USD. With the GBP USD so far, the price is upwards. We are seeing an acceleration to the upper side. We have a very good resistance level here. So most people just don't realize it, but when the price broke above, retraced back, it continued up to this level here. So as long as the price is above these two lines, we are strictly looking for buy positions. We expect the buyers to push us upwards, at least up to 1.26781. When the price ascends above this level, expect it to continue to the upper side. The other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. This is still in a range. So we had a trend line at the bottom. We have another one, the top. So technically, as long as the price does not break and close above either the upper line or below the lower line, we are waiting for a rebound from this point to pick a sell, or a rebound from this lower trend line to pick a buy position. Should the price break below this level, we expect it to continue to the lower side, at least up to around 137.758. Should it break above this line, expect it to extend upwards, at least up to 140.976. So if the price ascends above this line, we do expect an acceleration to the upper side towards this level. If the price breaks and closes below this line, expect it to continue downwards towards 137.758. The other So as I was saying, in case the price goes up and touches this upper trend line, then this should be the ideal place to look for a sell from. So we'll just be waiting for sell signals along this trend line and buy signals along this trend line. In case the price ascends beyond this line, this upper trend line, that would be a good sign that we may see a continuation to the upper side and may see the price continue ultimately up to this level. We have a very good target here. may see the price continue up to this level. In case it descends below this trend line, then expect it to continue downwards to the next target at this price here. So we have 24,315.93, 23,918,916. When the price descends below it, expect it to accelerate to the lower side, at least up to this point here, 19,494.86. My next chart is Brent oil. This is also in a range. So we have a very good support level there, and we have a very good resistance level here. So we have a resistance, we have resistance, we have resistance, we have a resistance, we have a resistance, we have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. If the price can come down and touch this level again at 71.610, then this should give us an ideal place to look for a buy from. So expect a move up to this point so that you pick a buy position. Your stop loss should be fixed below the low of this candle, this one. We expect that the buyers will push us back to the upper side, at least up to 77.518. The other chart, I want us to look at gold. We have it here. Gold is also consolidating. This is the 4-hour time frame. So it's very, very easy to recognize these consolidations because the price is not in an active direction. So you can see that we are not either in upwards or in a downtrend. We are somehow within some range. So we have the upper range, we have the lower range. If the price goes up and touches the line, this trend line here, this should give us a good place to look for a sell from. So expect the price to extend upwards up to this level so that you pick a sell position. If the price bounces off from that level, expect it to go downwards. So this right here is a good place to look for a sell from, and along this trend line is a good place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.